Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am SM Sultan Mahmoud Dillu. Welcome and homage congratulations to everyone on behalf of San Advice Sheikh. In any business, customer may refund products purchased with cash, and it's important to record this return correctly to maintain accurate financial records. QuickBooks Online provides an easy way to handle cash sales return through the refund receipt feature. In today's presentation, we will learn how to record a cash sales return step by step, ensuring transparency, accuracy, and smooth financial tracking. We will now learn through this example how to record cash sales return step by step in QuickBooks. Let's get started. We go to the plus new button on the top left side and now click on it. Now we choose refund received under customer column, select and click here. Now we fill in the space according to invoice. Customer as per invoice. Mr. Arif Hossain, copy and paste here and select it. Email, I did not have it. If I did, I would give it here. Billing address, since we entered customer details in QuickBooks, it was automatically created here as well. Refund receipt date as per invoice. September, we select 21 September. Accounts, payment method, cash, select as per invoice. Refund from cash in hand. Refund first item, service date as per invoice, 21 September, select. Product first item, cotton shirt, copy. And paste here and select it. Description, sell cotton shirt into 1 unit on rate 800 as per invoice. Tax, excluding tax, %5 VAT on refund. We select 5% VAT. Second item, service date, same date, 21 September. Products, leather belt as per invoice, unit on unit at the rate $600 US. Paste and select. Paste and select it. Description, sell leather belt and 1 unit, rate $600. VAT 5%, discount 5% is a discount value 100. Now we note message display one refund receipt, customer refund one cotton shirt $800 and one leather belt $600 due to size mismatch. Subtotal $1,400. Discount $100. Net refund $1,300. VAT 5%, $65, and total refund paid cash $1,365. Copy and paste on message display one statement. Add attachment invoice. Add cash sales ribbon uploaded. Already uploaded the invoice. Save and new. Now we see the voucher with the magnifying glass. Select and click it. Recent transaction, last transaction, select and click. Now we see the voucher. Let looks at journal entry. We go to the more option, select and click, and transaction journal. Cash in hand, credit $1,365, sales $800, debit $600, VAT $65, discount credit $100, total $1,465. Now we see the invoice. Okay, write the voucher match according to sales receipt invoice.
Dear viewers, thank you very much for staying with us throughout this presentation. Today we have learned the step-by-step process of recording a cash sales return in QuickBooks Online using the Refund Receipt feature. By following these steps, business can ensure accuracy, transparency, and proper financial management. I hope this presentation help you apply the process with confidence in your own accounting practice. Stay connected with Sun Advice Tech, more useful guides. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.